Hello guys, welcome to Show Me Her a Fiction, a home of tutorial. Today, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step process on how you yourself can create a Facebook page. And one thing about this, you don't need to be a tech guru. You don't know how. All that you need to create a Facebook page is a smartphone and a Facebook account. What did I say? A smartphone and a Facebook what? Account. So maybe some person might be what did I need Facebook page from? A Facebook page helps you to create it's just like a community different from your personal Facebook profile, whereby you can create it for your personal business. You're an artisan, you're a do worker, any kinds of business. It helps you to reach out to your customers, and it also helps you whereby people can get to know your website for your business if you have a website. So there are numerous benefits of Facebook page. It can also help you to run an advert for your business whereby you showcase what you do to millions of people all over the world. Even though you are in your home country, you can display your handwork, your services to any part of the nation that you like. So stay with me as I walk you through. So first of all, you open your Facebook mobile app. After that, what you do next is you click on this three hamburger sign that have your profile picture at the right hand. When you click on it, then you come down and you click on pages. After clicking on the page, there are several pages here. Then you click on create, sign up create. So which option is best for you? Personal use for personal profile to explain. Okay, the one you choose professional, build a public presence or promote your business brand. This one's just for that purpose. So you click on next. Then the next thing you do, you type in your business name. Maybe your business is One Stop Biz Integrated. You put it One Stop Biz Integrated. You put it there. Then type. You click on next. They're asking you now what category best describe the One Stop Biz Integrated. Is it a music? Is the business about music? Is it a consulting agency? If what you are actually one is not here on the popular category, you can do a search. If it's about engineering, you see, you can see now there is engineering service, there's real estate, there's restaurant. So any kind of service that your business offer, so that is what you will. Okay, for example, let me put a consulting agency, and you can choose more than one consulting agency. Okay, let me type something like business. If there's a business center, and what else again, social. Let me type if there's any social media agency. So I think it's still there. You click create. It's processing it now. All you have to do is just to wait for it. Then at this particular place, what you do, biography actually has to the nature of the business. So that is what you have to put there. You have to put the nature of what the business is after. So you have to type it there. So for now, say once I'll just put One Stop Biz. So be integrated is a consult consultancy firm. That so you're just gonna write what the business in that. Then if the business has a website, that's the place you put it. If it has an email, put it there. If it has a phone number, put them. Address of the business location, everything there. This one, hours of operation, you can there. You click on next after you have set up everything. Now your profile picture is the one of the first thing people see. They are asking you to set it. You can choose and tick by now. You've already have your business logo, Facebook page cover. All of those are ready. So after you're done with that, you click on next. And so it means the final stage, do you want to invite anyone among your friends in order for them to like your page so that they can be a part of the community whereby your business reach out to you anytime you post? They are the one to engage your post, they are the one to see what your business after, your videos, your reels, all of those stuff. Since I'm not selected, I'm just going to click on next. As I stay informed about your page, turn on the feature to help you make the most of what stop business. You can change it anytime. Make promotional email about your page. Then you click done. Now it has already created the page. Then it is switching to the page itself. So right now, if anybody type one stop biz integrated, it's already available on Facebook. Anybody can see it with their account from anywhere in the world. You know, one thing about page is that it can be accessible to anyone in as much it can be accessible to anyone on the internet as much as uses Facebook. You see it now. So this is what you do. You change your art cover, you change your logo, put there. Then you see it now. Your page is ready. So when you come here, if you want to post anything about your business, use what is on your mind. You can type anything, a post on anything. Then here you can actually back later here. I click here so that you can set up your page properly. You see now, page status, all of this things. So with this now, I've walked you through the process of Facebook page creation. So this is photo, biography, all of those, so you can edit all of those. So like I always say, stay tuned to this YouTube channel for more updates, and for you to do that, you have to subscribe to the channel, and not just subscribe, you as well turn on your notification button on it, so that anytime I make a post, you will be the first person to get an update about it. I love you. Thank you for watching.